In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft OneNote in Windows 11. If your OneNote app is not working properly, such as not syncing, freezing, or crashing unexpectedly, resetting it can often resolve these issues. This process restores the app to its default state and helps eliminate glitches that may have built up over time. To get started, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and selecting Settings, or by using the keyboard shortcut Windows+I. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Apps section and then click on Installed Apps. This will display a complete list of all the applications installed on your system. Next, scroll down through the list until you find Microsoft OneNote. When you locate it, click on the three-dot menu beside the app. Then select Advanced Options. This will take you to a page where you can manage and troubleshoot the application. As you scroll down, you will often see two options labeled Repair and Reset. It is recommended to start with the Repair option first. Click on Repair and allow Windows a few moments to attempt fixing the app without affecting your data. After the process finishes, open OneNote and check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem continues, you can move on to the Reset option. Click the Reset button and confirm your action when prompted. This will completely restore OneNote to its original settings. Keep in mind that this step will remove locally stored app data, including cached files and offline notebooks. However, any notes saved online, such as those synced through your account, will remain safe. Once the reset is complete, open OneNote again and sign in with your account. Your notebooks will begin syncing back to the app, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a little time. Resetting OneNote is a simple but effective way to fix persistent issues and improve performance. It allows you to start fresh without needing to uninstall the application entirely. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.